here. Hey, you can see it moving around. Two giant propane tanks pull out of the ground.
Watch out.
Yeah, I see them. I guess I gotta look at the road. Anyway, so here's what I was telling. Two huge propane tanks in my Dodge trailer. They're pretty big. It's rolling around a little bit. There's a little gap there. And there's a big old gap on this side. So you can guess where all the weight is. That one on the driver's side is heavy. It's heavier than the other one, and the other one's bigger. But anyway, these are going to turn into fire pits. And obviously I'll show everyone what that is and how we're doing it. But that's the plan here. But next thing to do is unload them and all that. But it's dinner time and it's Friday, so that's what we got.